Today we are going to talk about updates on Tesla's battery technology of Tesla Battery Day 2020. Tesla's highly anticipated Battery Day presentation kicked off on 22nd September with Drew Baglino, the Senior Vice President of Powertrain and Energy Engineering, joining Musk on stage. The three parts of a sustainable energy future are sustainable energy generation, storage, and electric vehicles, Musk said. So we intend to play a significant role in all three. But to get there, the world needs to produce 10 terawatt-hours worth of energy per year, Musk said. That's 100 times more than Tesla's current production level. Today's batteries can't scale fast enough. They are just too small, Musk said. For electric cars to continue their growth against their gas-powered counterparts, they'll need to continue to get cheaper, he added. That's where Tesla's plan to have the cost of producing every kilowatt-hour with continuous cylindrical cells as opposed to those with taps comes in. The new battery architecture can result in 5 times more energy, a 16% range increase with 6 times the power output, Musk said, adding that production was already beginning at a pilot plant. At the same time, cost can be reduced. It will take about a year to reach the 10 gigawatt-hour capacity with help coming from a recent acquisition, he said. The next goal is to improve manufacturing processes to the point where assembly lines are continuously moving. By 2030, when all the innovations are complete, Tesla said it would be able to produce 3 terawatt-hours of energy every year. On the chemistry front, Tesla said it acquired a 10,000 acre mining site to produce even more of battery components in-house. There really is enough lithium in Nevada alone to electrify the entire US fleet, Baglino said. And when it comes time to put the batteries in cars, Tesla has built a massive new casting machine to integrate the batteries components within the car, much like a plane's fuel tanks are integrated into the wing instead of separate parts. This lowers overall mass and number of parts while improving the car's structural integrity, Musk said. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and share the video with your friends. Let's meet again with another Battery Day update.